Ban Jylla bat pen sngo thu ikinong Shillong ka Jylla ban penlong ya ka Meghalaya ka Jylla ka Khuid bat ka balat na ka jing penjaklia ya ka saudong saukun ka we na kishnat trekam ja ka Sorkar Jylla ha ka ni ka Jylla ka Swachh Bharat Mission Gramin Meghalaya ha ka arpho tarik mentau benai nailur arhajar arphulai ka sedang ya ka jinga wer Peit ba ban pen Khuid ya ka saudong saukun ha barok ka Jylla lungba ka jinga lang ka bala penlong ha State Convention Hall Shillong ya ka ni ka jinga wer Peit ba la tip kum ka Swachhta hi seva but kapang pedeng juga ni ka jinga wer Peit ba kadai ka bala tho ha ka in English ka baong garbage free India but ya ka ni ka campaign en penkut ha ka arterik ubnai risau mentahi ka senam arhajar arphulai ka badai ru ka singkha jong Mahatma Gandhi ka ba shispa san phusau ya ka ni ka jinga lang mat phang ya ka jinga wer Peit ba ikinong Shillong ka Jylla ban pen Khuid ya kishnong ki thau ki tolong kiwa khamtam kiwa ki bayat lengba kishnong lalam khmat menteri Sorkar uba khmi ekatnat PHE ka Jylla Marcus and Marak ulalong ukongsan rengkat commissioner pat secretary ka Sorkar Jylla uba khmi ekatnat PHE Syed Mohammed A Razi mission director jong ka Swachh Bharat Mission Gramin Meghalaya uba JP Lakyang MCS additional chief engineer katnat PHE uba S Lengdo but kibalawan nation benta de kinong kit kam shnong na kishnong ba pher na kani kanong ba Shillong kiseng samla shnong kinong lam jugin yam ba pher bat kiwe
cleanliness and hygiene at both individual and community levels. It focuses on the idea that cleanliness is not just the responsibility of the government but of every citizen. This mission was launched by the Honorable Prime Minister of India, Narendra Modi ji, with the aim of creating a cleaner and healthier environment for all of us. Swachhta hi seva stands as a reminder of the importance of cleanliness in our daily lives. It urges us to recognize the impact of our actions on the environment and encourages active participation in cleanliness drive. The emphasis is not only on removing litter and waste, but also on adopting good sanitation practices and spreading awareness about their benefits. This campaign addresses various other issues related to cleanliness, such as open defecation, waste management, recycling, and safe and clean water drinking. It aims to create a society where cleanliness becomes a way of life, not just an event or a mere formality. Swachhta hi seva encourages individuals to make conscious choices regarding cleanliness, and it empowers communities to take ownership of their surroundings. One of the key aspects of Swachhta hi seva is participation and involvement of the citizens. It promotes community engagement. While individuals come together to clean public spaces, organize awareness programs, and educate others about the importance of cleanliness and hygiene. This initiative has been successful in mobilizing people from all walks of life to actively contribute to the cleanliness drive. Swachhta hi seva, we can address several passing issues that our country faces, such as unclean surroundings leading to diseases, pollution of water and air, and the degradation of our rural resources. By practicing cleanliness, we not only improve our immediate environment but also contribute to the overall well-being of our nation. So cleanliness is not limited to just physical spaces as well. Swachhta hi seva also encourages us to promote mental and emotional cleanliness by nurturing positive attitudes, compassion, and respect for others. It reminds us that a clean mind and a spirit are essential for personal growth and societal development. Swachhta hi seva is a significant movement that emphasizes the importance of cleanliness and hygiene in our lives. It gives us to take responsibility for our surroundings promote a cleaner environment, and contribute to the betterment of our society as a whole. By action we take towards cleanliness is a service to our nation, ensuring a healthier, happier, and more sustainable future for all. Let us embrace this initiative wholeheartedly and make Swachhata Hi Seva a way of life. With this few words, I
realized or appreciated is that cleanliness is hardwired in the DNA of the people of this state. I've been to several villages in deep interior. I've been, and I see that the villages, most of the villages, maximum are impeccably clean. The very clean villages, and there is a visible cleanliness. There is no obvious accumulation of garbage, except some urban and peri-urban areas which has its own problem. Our rural areas more or less are clean, and that I'm very happy to acknowledge is because of the effort of the community. It's the community, it's the local people, it's the residents of those villages, of those Shillongs who are responsible for ensuring the cleanliness of their own premises and extended society. So this campaign for Meghalaya should not be anything new. It is a community strong. It has a state which has a strong sense of community. It has a strong sense of community-based action. It has a lot of community-based groups. So coming together for a fortnight where a visible effort can be seen for all. In fact, we have to showcase our efforts in front of the nation. So I see absolutely no constraints in Meghalaya being one of the best performing states in this campaign. And I will not take too much of your time. Bhavesh has already briefed you on the different activities. One of the core activities is premised on Shram Dan. Shram Dan literally translates as Shram, which is labor, and Dan is donation of labor. So that is what is expected from all of us in this campaign, that we all who are present here will go back to our communities, to our families, to our colleges, to our schools, and try to spread this message that we can contribute in this campaign maximum by participating, by volunteering, by participating, and by ensuring that our state really does the best in the entire country. There are a couple of days which have been set out where we take a uniform activity like cleaning of tourist places or cleaning of rivers throughout the state. It will be done in all districts on the same day. So I exhort upon everyone present here, and I request everyone to present here to spread this message, to participate in large numbers, and which is being done. I've seen in Shillong, in various localities, people get together on weekends and Sundays and they clean up the locality. It's actually happening. So this fortnight is an opportunity for all of us to formalize it, to come together, to record that event, and to project it in front of the people all over the country. And
we have already spent more than 2,400 crore rupees only to cover 25% of urban sewage. We are chasing an impossible dream. Does anyone care?
We don't have real answers. We have what we want. Underground pumps out of system.
So here we have what?
I think it comes from the Yamuna.
Tap water.
Municipal committee से
वो तो पता नहीं, लेकिन वो बस कभी आता है कभी नहीं आता।
टंकी माता यमुना से
बिल्कुल ही नहीं आता। आप जब वहाँ से आते हैं ना वहाँ से।
Water in my house comes from Sonia. We have passports.
I'm living in a beachy. I don't have any idea about it. सर पानी आता है?
मेरे पास है ही नहीं।
टॉयलेट नहीं जाते?
जाते हैं 2 बजे।
My shit. Oh my God. Seriously. I take it out every morning.
क्या करते हैं?
Make it sure that I clear the evidence.
क्या? Please.
I do nothing. I mean, whatever happens, it happens automatically. Naturally, whatever happens to it, I never bother into it.
टॉयलेट में से पानी कहाँ जाता है?
None of me.
हवा में, टॉयलेट में,
Greens, Siva.
सीवर से आगे कहाँ जाता है? सीवर से आगे
क्या हमें क्या?
एक मालूम होता है.
It goes into the drain and then it gets treated at sewage treatment plant.
Gets purified and again it is used back also.
प्यूरीफाई होता है.
नदी से समुद्र में, अरे वो जाएगा तो जमीन के अंदर, हमारा जल दूषित होगा, वही हम पिएंगे.
I think it goes back to the Yamuna. I don't know regarding sanitary thing. I mean,
उसको कोई एसिड होता है गैस, या तो उसको गैस बनाकर बॉल लाइट जला जाता है, गैस लाइट होता है. बनाते नहीं है, बनता है. नहीं पता.